Entertainment news. Captain Planet, the environmental hero who won millions of hearts. New York special report. The popular 1990s cartoon Captain Planet and the Planeteers remains alive in the hearts of audiences worldwide, spreading its timeless message of environmental awareness. The show first aired on September 15, 1990 and was created by Ted Turner and Barbara Pyle. The animated series aimed to teach children how to protect the earth from pollution, waste, and destruction. The story revolved around five young heroes, Kawami, Wheeler, Linkaji, and Marty, each representing one of nature's elements: earth, fire, wind, water, and heart. When they combined their powers, they summoned Captain Planet, a superhero who fought to save the environment from pollution and greed. The show featured several memorable villains, including Dr. Blight, Hoggish Greedy, Duke Nukem, and Looter Plunder, each symbolizing a different form of environmental harm. At the end of every episode, Captain Planet would remind children the power is yours, a powerful message encouraging everyone to take responsibility for protecting the planet. Carrying both entertainment and education, Captain Planet inspired generations to care for the earth. Between 1993 and 1996, the show returned with a sequel titled The New Adventures of Captain Planet, further increasing its global popularity. According to analysis, Captain Planet was the world's first superhero whose true power was environmentalism. And today, as the world faces growing ecological challenges, his message feels more relevant than ever. A journey through memories. Captain Planet and my childhood. Senior social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra fondly recalls his childhood, saying, "When I was a child, the cartoon Captain Planet used to air on TV. That cartoon holds many precious memories for me. Every time I watched it, I felt a special excitement and a sense of purpose that I too should play my part in protecting the environment." He remembers that during that time he lived in Sibbi when Captain Planet was about to come on. All the children would eagerly gather in front of television. He says back then there were no mobile phones, no internet, and very few sources of entertainment, but cartoons like Captain Planet inspired children with lessons of hope, friendship, and responsibility. The cartoon told the story of a hero who fought against evil to save the planet from pollution. It taught that if humans live in harmony with nature, the earth can become a better place. Chaudhry Hanjra reflects that perhaps this very cartoon instilled in him the spirit of social service and environmental care, values that still guide his work today. With a smile, he adds, "When I think back to those days, I wish could I turn back time to sit once again in that house in Sibbi and watch Captain Planet, where each episode brought a new dream, a new truth, and a new spark of inspiration." These memories remain close to my heart, for they are not just memories of childhood, they are the story of the foundation of the person I have become. MD Udan News TV. Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi X, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koil Jat Kadahi, and Elevex Beauty Soap, and marriage proposals for all caste. Mobile number 0323478787. You are watching Udan News.